everybody. So I just had a really interesting conversation with my friend about shedding, and her question was, how do you know when your shedding is normal and when it's abnormal? And basically a question I get quite often is, how do you stop shedding? Like, how do we end this atrocity? Is that a word? And I can be real with you, I don't comb my hair every day. I don't have that time. So what happens is, since our hair sheds 50 to 100 strands a day, every day that you don't comb your hair, that's more shedded hair that accumulates. So when our wash day comes, and when we decide to actually detangle our hair from, you know, ends to roots, we have like a clump of hair and we're freaking out and we're like, what in the world is going on here? I gotta find a way to stop it. But I want you guys to know, shedding is completely normal, because this is what happens. At the end of the telogen phase of our hair, aka the resting phase, that hair has to pop out, aka shedded hair. Why? Because we have new hair, guys, growing through. It is what we want. Now, it becomes abnormal when our hair is coming out in clumps. Like, we're showering and we're like, oh my gosh, oh my god, like, then that's not normal. It can be due to hormones, it can be due to stress or health issues. In that case, I would definitely recommend you going to see your physician to make sure everything's okay. Now some of you guys might be like, okay Tanya, that answer does not suffice. I need a better solution. I need some substance here. Well, you know, there's always garlic. There's garlic tablets, garlic pills out there. You can get them at, you know, Target, Walmart, anywhere. I know there's been like garlic recipes online you can check out as well if you want to try that to minimize the shedding. But why would you want to do that when you have new hair growing in, you know, like, you know. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out the description box at the bottom. I have some really cool stuff for you. Don't forget to like this video because it makes my hair grow. I realize that people who like the video, my hair grows longer. Totally made that up, but we're gonna dismiss that. But yes, like this video, share this video on Facebook and Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Charmaine369. You will see a lot of hair, a lot of inspirational posts, and a lot of good food. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos of healthy hair care advice and guidance from your personal chemist, which is me, okay? Love you guys, bye.